Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yeah, so it's that time of year when it's coming on to spring break. Yeah man, spring break in the United States of America. That's when time the young people them going to university, them travel, all over the world. United States, them travel from one state to the other to have fun. College kids them, that's how them operate, you understand? So currently there's a travel advisory out there from the United States State Department. So as we tell you already, so we are proud inform already with Uncle Sam. The American government, the State Department had issued travel warning for Jamaica, letting the American people know say it's not safe to travel to Jamaica. You understand? But we at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we can tell you that what the American government is saying, it's kind of true. It's kind of, because look here, you see in Jamaica, foreigners safe. Yeah man, people like, but you look on Busta Rhyme right now and you see, Busta Rhyme, that's a rapper, and him have Jamaican connection, see Busta Rhyme him frack and thing. So Busta Rhyme, Busta Rhyme, Busta Rhyme safer in Jamaica than most Jamaican because he's a foreigner. You understand? The only thing now, him for wearing big chain on him there Jamaica, you understand, to make sure that him stay safe there, because that once you have on the chain in a Jamaica, say a boy you go draw some form of attention to you, because the Jamaican robbers them not play, But not only that now, we want you to, before we continue with Busta Rhyme thing, we want you to watch this video. This is our American, a woman by the name of Tamron. She's a black celebrity, pretty black girl. And look, whether or not you want to believe it, at Jamaica, she they enjoy herself, We tell you, the Americans, them safer Jamaica than Jamaican people, So we want you watch, you listen, and you decide. Because Tamron all listen, she post it for after the Americans, after them release it, even Canada, I say, boy, be careful with travel to Jamaica. I show say, oh, no man, you can't come to Jamaica and them thing, it's safe for you come and have fun. But if you're Jamaica, now that's different. But once you stay on these resorts and these hotels, you're safe, man. You understand? You don't have to mingle with the local and them thing. If you don't mingle with them and go buy weed and all kind of them crack, you understand what I'm saying? You're good. So you watch, you listen, and you decide.
Good morning. Merry Christmas. Yes, you got your Christmas gift. This is the real me, real morning in real time, but I wanted to say Merry Christmas and just share the love of what this day means for me and my family. I hope whatever you're doing today, that you are with people who love you and that you are able to spend this time. Oh, yes, you got your toy here. So we're in Jamaica. I'm about to eat my saltfish and ackee, and we're going to get down with some banana bread and all those things, but most important, this is a day for me and my family to give thanks to God for allowing us to celebrate the birth of Christ wherever you are. God bless you. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your family. Say hello. We got a Nintendo. Life has changed. Life has changed.
So, so if you have been watching, you will see that, that is Tamron All. Tamron All. That's a beautiful sister that she's from Texas, and she's look, you see where she there at Jamaica, that's there for Christmas, Yeah, man, Christmas 2024, just Christmas 2023, and now 2024. So she just release it and them thing there. So she show you say, oh, she enjoy Jamaica. You understand? But look here now, who have to worry with them that Jamaica? People like all me, you understand what I'm saying? Because we have so many enemies there, because through the corrupt, the old thief, them and all them things, they don't like we because we speak the truth. So when the travel advisory, yeah, which is America protect its make sure to protect its citizens, and the mission one for all Bahamas, but Europe now with Bahamas, guess what? The Jamaican culture take over Bahamas, hey, the man might kill all people less than 100 yards from police station in a Bahamas, May I tell you some serious thing are going over there. So that's why people don't want Jamaicans in them country, because of the crime and violence. And Jamaican, that's all Jamaican bring with them. So as you can see, that a Tamron all, she tell the world, say, hey, look here, it's safe for you come to Jamaica for spring break. But you know what we have learned on them thing, now when you come on to this time of year, say to come on to spring break, and spring break, as them say, spring break, that's when most of the state them want, people within the United States of America to stay within the United States of America and just travel from one state to the other, go down to the Sunshine State. But guess what? Here are the kids them say now, the same American kids them, the Yankee them, the white one them and them thing, Them say, oh, Jamaica is like, you just have a different aura when you go to Jamaica than anywhere else in the world. There's something about Jamaica. So no matter, how many travel advisors, the Americans and the Kenyan and the people still travel go down there, because them know say that no affect them. And on a tourist thing and them thing, they know say it's gang business and a black people against black people. And the only thing now, we advise you visit Jamaica and them thing. No matter where jewelry and them thing, because that will cost you your life. We tell you that don't meet no Jamaican online and boy, go down there and meet with them, because we tell you say I know some nice people them. We tell you we are Jamaican and nice people them. So this travel advisory, don't take it lightly. You visit Jamaica, you just make sure that you do all the things that is right, and don't travel. Well, we live in a pretty much a cashless society, especially when it come on to American debit card or credit card. I would advise you to take a debit card with you to Jamaica, because debit card, you don't have any protection, you understand what I'm saying, especially with some bank, because you have to fight, but the credit card, you have many protections, you understand. But if you go to Jamaica, as them say, there's nothing named drink responsibly and them thing. Because from you drink. You just have to, it's pretty much the same. Most Americans are law-abiding citizens. And them, it's not like Jamaicans, when Jamaicans visit America, and you understand, and the police them can't get rough, kill them and them thing. The Americans now go to Jamaica and misbehave and them thing there. So it's topsy-turvy, and you understand, two different worlds, because in America, only in a black American community, some of it, especially in a city where, black people really, them kill each other. But guess what? The same black people them in America where they kill each other from in our cities, most of them now come to Jamaica during spring break. So police now really get to kill them. American police are them cronies, are them rival, we kill them. I just saw it go with them. So that kind of Americans, you go see them in Jamaica. They want the one that kill one another and them thing. Even if them even involved in nefarious things, illicit activities, them now come to Jamaica because they make money. So them, you understand, them now go on a vacation. So yeah, so we're moving on. So yeah, as we say, that a Tamron, you see, she's a beautiful sister, and she's down there with her son. And she used to work with NBC, and she tell you, the most beautiful place she have ever been at Jamaica. So if you check out her, she have a channel, she have an Instagram account, if you check it, you see many Jamaican videos on Tamron Instagram account, because she show the world, say, oh yeah, Jamaica the place and them thing there. I just saw it go for some people. You understand? So we give thanks for sharing our video to show you that it's not every American think of Jamaica as this doom and gloom place. The reason why Jamaica crime thing is like that, you have to remember, you know, when I leave fall off a tree and fell in and you know hit the surface of the water, the leaf don't go down to the bottom of the stream, you know, or the river or the lake immediately. It takes time. And the reason why we are here at this juncture with crime in Jamaica, it started from 1989, February. And we said that without any apologies. Yeah, man, from Michael Manley win. Yes, ask anyone. I can't tell you. And even, yeah, like some, you know, my brother said, boy, oh, you never bring on a police now, or you used to work with you and come talk things where you used to do kind of I don't see the you understand what I'm saying. A guy free for call and them thing that just like weather burn and you understand what I'm saying. So the thing is that now you have to understand, so the leaf don't go to the bottom of the river immediately. It takes time. So the thing is that in Jamaica now, everything started coming in here from February 1989, and that's where we're at now, because whilst we as police officers were fighting for reduce crime, the government was there fighting to do everything to increase crime, because whilst you have to understand, you see, once a crime high, the people is being distracted. So that's why them thief, that's why you have all the finsack, that's why the Mark Golding them and the Peter Bunton and all these guys get rich, because you have the crime where I take over the country and the people them distracted, so people are worried about them safety whilst they are there thieving. So that's why we say the PMP is a criminal organization. Everything, you know, between me we had a thing called the Suppression of Crime Act. And guess what? You know what? As we're talking about it, we're going to make you listen to we're going to let you listen to Cliff Hughes to show you the history of Jamaica when it comes on to crime fighting. And you talk about right now with the travel advisory. So we are showing, you know, how the PMP criminal organization when they were in government, how them dismantled everything, you know, that was fighting crime in Jamaica. So that's why we're at this juncture, where we have our travel advisor we never used to have before in Jamaica. Yes, man, we never used to have them thing there. And them say, hey, look here, you think say the little cows and them, you all dirty boy them, and them mash up Jamaica, a politician them, because they are not leaders, you know. Them follow the people them. As leader, you have to do things to make you unpopular. That's why Edward Seaga never win back in '89, because Edward Seaga was guiding the people them in the right direction. Jamaican people have indisciplined behavior. Them enjoy it. So that's why the PMP have the most criminals them in 98% of them in a prison in Jamaica. You understand? So we'll let you listen to Cliff Hughes. Yeah man, I will tell you history. He might tell you, from memory. You watch, you listen, you decide, and then we come back.
And I must tell you a little story. 50 years ago, I was about 11 years old. 12 years old. Attending Chetola Park Primary School on the border of Hannahtown and Jonestown. And I remember one day, our principal, Miss Lumsden, our grade teacher, Mrs. Windross, teachers like Mrs. Poyser Davis, Mrs. Pratt, Miss Lewis, all women, running up and down. And clearly something was amiss. It was later we realized that what was amiss, the benefactor, one of the major benefactors of Chetola Park Primary, was a very prominent businessman by the name of Leo Henry. Leo Henry was the owner of what was then Modern Furnishing Company on Slipe Road, just up the road from Chetola Park. For those of you who are too young to know, Modern Furnishing was at the time possibly the leading furniture store in Jamaica before Courts came to Jamaica and took over that role. It was Modern Furnishing. And Mr. Leo Henry was the owner of Modern Furnishing. And what caused the eruption at Chetola Park today was a gunslaying of Mr. Henry. Mr. Henry was shot and killed. And it sent shockwaves not only through Chatola Park teachers and community of Hannahtown and Jonestown, but across Jamaica. Because in a short space of time, Leo Henry was shot and killed. A number of other prominent business people were shot and killed. Lawyers, prominent lawyers. I remember Fitzritson was shot and killed in the space of a couple of weeks. And that triggered virtually panic in Jamaica. And it was Michael Manley who was Prime Minister at the time. And, as you will hear later when we delve more into the history, he said that Jamaica had to get dread with the criminals, with the gunmen. And within a matter of days, the Gun Court Act was drafted and it was brought to Parliament and passed within 24 hours. 24 hours. And that piece of legislation, together with the Suppression of Crime Act, were the principal legislative tools adopted by the Manley administration to respond. As one lawyer said to me this morning, it was used to terrorize Jamaica because it dispensed with several human rights, because the government was in a state of panic, because of the spate of killings of prominent people, lawyers and business people close to the PNP administration then. That was the circumstance. Those were the environments in which the Gun Court Act and the Suppression of Crime Act were adopted virtually overnight, 50 years ago. It was for those kinds of crimes, not a domestic crime.
Alright, so you hear it for yourself, you know. Cliff Hughes is telling you, you know. So you know that he went to Chatola Park Primary School. So you know that Cliff Hughes. So once you're from, you attend Chatola Park School and in and around Jonestown where I'm from, everybody expect you're supposed to always repeat the PNP mantra and you're supposed to be a person who don't have any conscience. You're supposed to be an ignoramus and you're supposed to be a liar. Yeah man, you must always tell lie if you PNP and don't speak the truth. So Cliff Hughes now I tell you the truth now, you know. Yeah, Cliff Hughes, you know, as Cliff Hughes say, you know, as a PNP lawyer, you know, I talk about the Suppression of Crime Act was abusing people's rights. But guess what? At the best law that Jamaica ever have, and it really reduced crime because Edward Siaga uses, you know. Remember, PNP had passed this act into law, and Michael Manley signed it within days. Yes, and we're gonna post Michael Manley and the men them that killed Henry, the modern day furniture man. Yeah man, and all of the, guess what? I bet you never tell me any money. All of the men them that killed Michael Manley friend. I bet you never tell me which party them support. PNP. And the only thing they know for those create criminals. Them don't encourage the people them for education, because you can become inventors, you know. Because we have Jamaican people have some brilliant mind, you know. You see all the criminal them, if them use them mind and use it in a right way, may I tell you, so Jamaica can be the epicenter of the world when it come on to invention. Because these criminals, me don't know how them can think and come up with some things where it just boggles the mind. So the Suppression of Crime Act was very good. Yes, man, because we get a little TSI and them thing there, and the Suppression of Crime Act, the police, you don't need no warrant and all them thing there, and man, when you come on to preemptive strike, save lives. Yes, you understand? And I first think that, so Michael Manley, you know, I remember I said they were in a power in 1972 when they passed this act, you know, 1974 when they passed this act, you know. And as them become government in 1989, them dismantle it because it was reducing crime in Jamaica. So them no want that. Because guess what now? I know them Tapanari's friend are dead. So as you hear Cliff you say, the reason why them pass the Gun Code Act and lock up people is not because of the common man, it was affecting the gun crime, It's because lawyers and business people are dying, and most of these lawyers and business people are affiliated to the PNP criminal organization. So that's why him act in that way. So them not do anything, in the interest of the poor. So all of you people who think that them love them don't. I'm telling you that. Listen what the man say. Hey, PR, between most of you don't even know, say Philip Powell. Yeah, that's a man where right now them are kill MID for bring him in and question him with and charge him for the death of him baby mother and the baby because him play some role in it and him thing there. Yeah. Cliff Hughes and Philip Powell are good friend, best of friend. Him introduce Philip Powell out that to the East Kingston people them. You understand? Cliff Hughes is a man who respect and love Michael Manley. But just when he speak the truth now, he become labor right. That's how them stay. But so, one thing I love with him no listen to naysayers, then he just tell you as it is a real mama papa truth. So as we tell you, that was what happened then. So as we are talking about now, we are talking about the travel advisory and them thing now. We tell you, see men like Busta Rhyme, we are American and Tamron and all, them safer in Jamaica. We not even use white people, although you see the white woman with Busta Rhyme. We just use black American. Because them enjoy Jamaica when they are in Jamaica. Them not a family member for go visit. Them not nobody for go look for a jungle and Rima. Well, Tivoli Garden them would safe because them places them not kill them own. Them not rob and kill them own like where I am from. Where I am from now, you go back there, yeah man, them kill you, them rob you and kill you. And nobody can talk. You understand? So you listen, if you listen, you'll never hear no one call from Jungle or Johnson say, boy, them visit, them go back and you can't. You hear the man when a bad man and them thing there, same as and him come from Tivoli. And him say him go there all the while and them thing and him just tell you what happened down there, and you understand? And how much money. Nobody know the money. You think you can do that at Jungle? You're crazy. Them rob you and kill you. Me have a bridge, alright. Me have a bridge in them thing there. Them man they a big man. Me not call him name and them thing there. All that we used to, cause as a youth, we used to, our corners are just be a big man and positive man. And the man they are police in America. And the man got Jamaica, a Georgia him living a law enforcement officer, And the man got Jamaica, a jungle go stay him yard. And them time I hear a tax time. This is when people in America file taxes and get back them little money. Cause most people, whether or not you want to believe it in America, I just paycheck to paycheck people live. You have to a good job and all them things there. Fair work, certain money are involved in a drug, so live a certain way or have a business. You understand? But once you work for people and them thing there, nobody you're not go rich in America. I just saw it go. So where I tell you a real mama papa truth. You understand? Unless you win some lawsuit or you win lotto and them thing there, cause plenty of Jamaicans who live in America, they will live worse than people who live in Jamaica, but the only thing is that them feel safer. You understand? But and you have some Jamaican who tell you say, boy, him rather have to suffer in a white man country than in his country. I'm not wrong him still, cause you understand? Yeah. Better suffer somewhere else than in your own country. If you know say you're not your own country, you suffer. And I just saw it go. You understand? Suffer don't mean to say, boy, you're not making the money. Suffer means say, boy, you're not security and you're worried about your family safety and all of these things. So as we tell you already say men like Busta Rhymes and Tamron all men like Busta Rhyme and women like them safer in Jamaica than you the Jamaican people who are in the diaspora. If you go look on all the white man from Texas where them kill a sentence, that's a higher assassin and them thing there. And him a white man and look. He's a man who take care of the people them innocent and give them work and all kind of thing. We don't know who is behind the killing of this man. If the police them we don't even know if the police them if them investigate the man murder to say if it was a hit and do all the necessary you understand what I'm saying when they come on to technology, because the phone them, you understand, we have technology that easy to solve murder case in Jamaica than before. So as we delve into the intriguing experience of renowned hip hop artist Busta Rhymes as he discovered a sense of safety on the beautiful island of Jamaica despite being a foreigner. But remember, Busta Rhymes parents, Jamaican, yeah man, so, and him can't talk like Jamaican too. But Busta Rhymes knows that when he's in Jamaica, him say him feel more secure in a Jamaica than when even him in America, because nobody in Jamaica, everybody knows him, Busta Rhymes. So we have shed some light on the unique dynamics that challenge the preconceived notion about safety and identity. Busta Rhymes safer in Jamaica, him and Tamron all than you. Yeah man, Bobby and Tom and Jane, yeah man, and what them call him, boy, Claudette, yeah. Yeah, them safer only because nobody, them are for worry, you understand. But Busta Rhymes and Tamron all know, nobody not trouble them. Worse all if you're white, if you're white, that's even worse. Them now you understand. The chance of harm come to you is slim to none. Yeah, white people, no matter how much shot them, no cure, no matter how much travel advisory them get about gunshot, them still go see in place and them thing there. You understand? So through insightful interviews and captivating footage, Busta Rhymes, I tell her right now, say he go Jamaica for Sashi this year. Sashi is a big show, Yeah man, the brother there where they keep the show and them thing there, and him go work house for 20 a year, yeah, but him American, so them never dip him on them thing there, so him da Miami, you understand, but him I think I don't know if him probation over, but you understand, because Sashi one of the biggest shows still will ever keep a Jamaica, because it have Shabarangs and all them thing there. It was a hit, because you understand, so it have go back now and them thing there, and Busta Rhymes say him gonna be there, because Busta Rhymes friend, you understand, see it. So most people, as them say, the Jamaican people culture and nuances, welcoming nature, because Jamaican people are normally welcoming people, When I talk the illiterate people, them and them thing, we talk the people them where the seeing people, because we have a whole heap of mad people in Jamaica, in a clean clothes. Yeah, crazy. As the least you could think them get upset and them ready for war with you and them thing. We talk the seeing people them, you understand? And you know that their genuine hospitality and inclusive spirit create a sense of security. So allowing Busta Rhymes to freely explore and enjoy all Jamaica's offer. Because you know that Busta Rhymes have Jamaican connection, you understand, him father and him mother. So we analyze the misconception about safety in a foreign land and how one outsider status can sometimes provide unexpected advantages. So that's why Tamron All and Busta Rhymes, we just use two black people. Yeah, that's why them safer in Jamaica than the Jamaicans, because Jamaicans are trouble them. In Jamaica, the chance of you getting killed or robbed is slim to none. As a Jamaican, you have to just know where to go and where not to go, what to dress, and when you dress, put on expensive jewelry. But Jamaican people, them know when you come from foreign. I don't know how them know, but them know if you have Jamaican or you're a foreigner. I don't know if the clothes or what, but they're very, very savvy in that way. You understand? So we continue the journey. You understand? So yeah, man. So in Jamaica, so the perspective, challenges conventional wisdom and invite us to question our assumption about what it truly means to feel safe. So join us on this extraordinary adventure as we unveil, personal story, finding safety and solace as a foreigner in Jamaica. So you hear that from Tamron now, she tell you, she had Jamaica for Christmas and she go eat her ackee and saltfish. So say, and she and her son and her husband are Jamaica and she enjoyed. So a foreigner enjoy Jamaica, But guess why Jamaicans can enjoy Jamaica? Are the 63 people in the parliament. But what kind of seat a comeback? But it's not really there yet, But as we tell you all them thing there, the real corruptors are the 63 people in the parliament. Because look, I will tell you and I say it again. When I was growing up, I never ever in my life you have no police and soldier for provide security 24 hours in our community for people sleep. Never. So at the worst time this in Jamaica. And it's that, guess what? And you know who caused it? Let me tell you who are the recipient of this. Christopher do the squawk when them giving me in the come act. them reward them. So when you're a criminal in Jamaica, you get reward. The only thing that they did not do was to name the act Christopher Dudu Squawk Act. Them call it Indicom, but it's really Christopher Dudu Squawk Act. That is what the act is all about. For give criminals this leeway for them to commit crime and empower them and handcuff the police them, and them realize now say, it a backfire upon we. Yeah man, but I see we and them thing there. Jamaican people I say a bugger you. But not reach them yet, but just wait. You hear a cliff you say what did happen, with Michael Manley, I see Michael Manley used to pet and powder criminal, cause through him treat him send them a Cuba and then come back and them start unleash the same murderous tactics now and female friend them lawyer and business people. And that's how them start the gun court and the suppression of crime act and all, you understand? And then when they come in a power now, they repeal it. If the suppression of crime act was still there, the police would be able to do them job. The suppression of crime act was it was a good fighting mechanism for fight crime in Jamaica, but them don't want that. You understand? So, are you ready? Yeah man, are you ready to embark on this remarkable journey? Yeah man, take advantage of this captivating video that will challenge your belief about safety, identity and wavering bonds. Forged in the land of reggae. So yeah, so we are going to tell you now, where the Americans say. You understand? Because say Uncle Sam here, where our loyalty is to Uncle Sam and them thing there. Because see it. So this is the latest reissue with the update to the crime and health information. So this is where Uncle Sam said, reconsider travel to Jamaica due to crime and medical services. U.S. government personnel and the chief of mission security responsibility are prohibited from traveling to many places due to increased risk. Please read the entire travel advisory. So what does I give it? So it's a country summary. Violent crimes such as home invasions, armed robberies, sexual assaults and homicides are common. Sexual assaults occur frequently, including at all-inclusive resorts. Alright, we are telling you with the all-inclusive resort. Yeah, it happened there. But not that frequent as, you understand, it's happen very rare. Yeah, rape and them thing they are sexual. Most of the time, most of the time it gets junk and, you understand what I'm saying, and I just rape and rape. You can't, it don't really matter if somebody, them can't say yes. But men stay on them thing, they want to see them soldiers stand at attention, them want the soldier to stand at ease, and them feel like, say, boy, them feel that, and that's how it work. You're not supposed to do like that. You're supposed to respect the woman's rights, you understand, and if the woman say no mean no mean yes, and mean to say, boy, if you bad up the woman, yeah, no, we're not that. So that's one of the thing where, because some of my problems, with the rape in Jamaica and them thing there. So we continue the journey. So there's a local police often do not respond effectively to serious criminal incidents. When arrests are made, cases are infrequently prosecuted to a conclusive sentence. Families of U.S. citizens killed in accident or homicides frequently wait a year or more for final death certificates to be issued by Jamaican authorities. Really? How that? How that? If somebody dead and the postmortem is done, the death certificate not supposed to be, that's supposed to take days. The government needs to streamline, so we in the 21st century. Why it take 1 year if you get a death certificate? That's crazy. So that's why people have it. So literally now, they might tell us about you have to hire a private doctor to do your postmortem if you get a death certificate and so on. That is just madness. So the government need for, that's our era where they need to venture and all them thing. That not right, man. Because most time, American people, them have insurance, and the insurance company want the death certificate for pay the money. You understand? So that's just crazy. So they said the homicide rate reported by the government of Jamaica has for several years been among the highest in the Western Hemisphere. U.S. government personnel under COM security responsibility are prohibited from traveling to the areas listed below. Using public buses and driving outside of Kingston prescribed areas at night. Emergency services and hospital care vary throughout the island, and response times and quality of care may differ from U.S. standards. you have to understand that in a Jamaica and them thing that everything we tell you straight up. Most of the health infrastructure are third world. So if you go to Jamaica and them thing there, don't expect no. It's just like if you go to one third world state in America. You have in our south we have third world state. Cause like if you go to a hospital in Mississippi and all them places, whether or not you want to believe it, Alabama, yeah man, a curtain them use and part of the people them. So nobody feel like I like when they're in Florida and you go to a hospital and you have a room for yourself. No, in them the state there, yeah, them use curtain. When we say curtain, a curtain them use and part of. So you're not even 5 feet away from the other person. And not in partition, a curtain them use. So all your problem that you right here talking, yeah, I see same thing just like public, like Kingston Public Hospital. You know, no privacy. You understand? So I see same thing. So don't expect say when you as an American you go to Jamaica you're going to have this kind of privacy when you're at the Jamaican hospital as you would have in America. No, it don't work like that. A total different thing. In Jamaica, different thing. You understand? In Jamaica, I see him just like if you're Alabama, Missouri, and all one of these states. You understand? These America have a lot of third world states. I also third world. We mean the infrastructure, yeah. Yeah man, them and when the nurse them talk to you, everybody can't hear. So if you go there and imagine, that's why Jamaican men them not like figure a doctor, because them not like to talk them business. Me don't know all them get that, but boy, me say me love doctor, so you understand? Yeah, me I go my doctor and tell my doctor what I'm to me. So I just saw it go. So don't expect no. If you are like how somebody when I'm military, yeah, like when you're at in a military hospital where you have your own room, yeah, you have your own room and all them thing there. In a triage, even in a triage and them thing there, yeah, you have privacy. You understand? The emergency room, the my military hospital, them. Don't expect that at Jamaica, a third world. It's just like how, yeah, third world, just like how when in Alabama, Mississippi, and the southern state. I see them, you understand? The oldest state in the south where our first world infrastructure, Florida, especially southern Florida, because it's recent, you understand, you're going to have your own room like a hotel, your TV, share room, you understand? Yeah, because the insurance company pay for it. But you understand, but other states are third world infrastructure. So I see same thing with Jamaica, so don't expect no first world thing. You understand? Unless you go like University of the West Indies. University of the West Indies in the 1980s, yes. You'd be in a room by yourself. What you didn't have was TV and everything there. Yeah. So I don't know how it is now. I mean, I'm telling you from in the 80s that when Edward Seaga was Prime Minister, yeah, you go there, you're not paying a registration fee and all these things. Yes. Yeah, man, I have been there yeah. So you go there, you don't pay a registration in the 80s, and you stay there and everything in a room by yourself. University of West Indies. University Hospital of West Indies. Yeah, Kingston, to me, I don't care, although them say boy Kingston, I bet me no like down there. And the reason being is because I wish the hospital locate right which part the old corals in them live. Corals now, corabunkus. Yeah, all no so me can't me rather UC and them thing there. So them just need to spend some more on them on UC and you understand. You can't see government take the government them I take time move away from downtown, and over downtown to criminal them, Or if you move our flying squad from downtown. Them thing that sure, idiot thing that man. If you make police them for the downtown man. So we continue the journey. You understand? Yeah. So public hospital must be more resource and can only sometimes provide high level or specialized care. Private hospital requires payment upfront before admitting patients and may be unable to provide specialized care. Ambulance services are only sometimes readily available, especially in rural areas, and are sometimes staffed by trained personnel. Sometimes, so most of the time, are some novice in it and them thing there. All a man knows say a man in an accident and him have on the neck brace. You have to it's true. They must lift you up and mash you up. I'm just kidding still. You understand? Them see it. So the American embassy now, the American U.S. State Department is saying that we strongly encourage you to obtain travelers insurance, including medical evacuation insurance, before traveling to Jamaica. So when you buy a ticket for travel and them thing there, you have insurance where you can buy if you want to cancel a ticket or you buy medical insurance. So whenever if something happen to you in a country, them able to fly you out easy and them thing. I just saw it go. You understand? So be aware that the US US Medicaid does not apply overseas, and most overseas hospitals and doctors do not accept US health insurance. So yeah, like for me, you know, yeah, my insurance now worldwide, so I mean I have to worry on them thing there. Yeah man, my worldwide. Yeah, I mean yeah. People who know me attack on them thing there worldwide. Yeah, you understand? So I just saw it go. So US citizens with medical emergency can face bills in the tens of thousands of dollars with air ambulance service to the United States costing $30,000 to $50,000. And you know, there's a link where them say click for more information for additional if you want more information about it. So we are, you know, we just gonna just argue some little things, you know. You understand? So this is what Uncle Sam say. So him say if you decide to travel to Jamaica, just listen, you know. That if you decide to travel, do not attempt to bring firearm or ammunition. Don't carry it here, Jamaica. It's illegal. Jamaica is not a part of America. Because we know that, honestly, I remember when I'm telling you, whether or not you want to believe it or not, many Americans ignorant just like Jamaicans do, you know. Because when I was in the military and I tell a guy that I was from Jamaica, and he asked me how long it take me to drive from Jamaica to come here. I say, I mean drive. He must say, yeah, serious. I tell him, no, Jamaica, the only way you can reach Jamaica, you have to take a plane or a ship. I say, man, yeah, and some, whether or not you want to believe it, you know, and some of them believe, you know, that Bob Marley are American. American believes that Bob Marley are American. Yeah, seriously. So nobody feel like say only Jamaicans are some people alone ignorant. I was shocked. You understand? Because Bob Marley used to live in Baltimore. You understand? Yeah. So, you know, moving on. So the penalty for carrying weapons and ammunition, even inadvertently, are severe and can form lengthy prison sentences. And look here, you see, you're a prisoner at Jamaica, you know what I'm going to do, you have a thing with them called bed, you have them bed bugs, yeah man, in a prison, them and them thing there. You know what I'm going to do, for them prison, Jamaica prison, and them prison them from the pirates and the buccaneer days. You know, you understand? Everything, you eat and sleep and do everything the same place. If you understand what I mean. And like America, we have toilet. You don't have that, your prison. I just saw it go in here. You get a bucket, and I just saw it. You understand? So you don't want to go a prisoner in Jamaica or jail. So avoid walking or driving at night. Avoid public buses. Avoid secluded places or situation. Don't make no girl tell her, or no man, don't make no girl tell her if you come meet you, that's all them thing there. Because them are the wickedest thing in Jamaica. Women, yeah. Wickedest, you understand, especially corals in them. You understand? Very rare you're going to really find a real, you know, one of them, you know, uppity girl and them thing there as a tourist in Jamaica, because them don't really mingle around with the corals and them thing, and them stay far from them. So you understand? So you know, say I want to corals and you get to talk to. But I tell you that straight up, unless one of them will work in a hotel where work at the front decks, or one of them will check you and you know they have like education. But you understand what I'm saying? So I just saw it go. So do not physically resist any robbery attempt. Be aware of your surroundings and keep a low profile. So America say you must enroll in a STEP. That means Smart Traveler Enrollment Program, to receive alerts and make locating yourself in an emergency easier. So follow the Department of State on Facebook and Twitter. Review the country security report for Jamaica. Prepare for a contingency plan for emergency. Review the travelers checklist. So them say visit the CDC page for the latest travel health information related to your travel. Violence and shootings occur regularly in many neighborhoods, communities, and parishes in Jamaica. Yeah, so you have to understand. So them are telling you different places. Them say, boy, St. Anne's Parish, do not travel. You say them are telling you, say, don't go to Steertown and the Buckfield neighborhood near Ocherias. So them are say St. Catherine Parish, do not travel. Yeah, them are telling you, say, don't go to Spanish Town, don't go to Central Village, here within Portmore. Them called Nago Head, some people say Nago Z, New Orleans, Old Brighton, Portmore Lane, Gregor Park and Waterford. Waterford used to be a safe place here travel and them thing. You understand, my community that. All of Clarendon Parish, do not travel. all of Clarendon Parish except passing through Clarendon using the T1 and the A2 highway. So you know, Clarendon is a no-no. Dangerous place that. St. Elizabeth Parish, do not travel. Vineyard District community, between the community of Salt Spring and Burn Savannah, St. Elizabeth. Hanover Parish, do not travel. Lagwood and Orange Bay. St. James Parish, Montego Bay, do not travel. All of Montego Bay on the inland side of the A1 highway and the Queen's Drive of Sansan to Harmony Beach. Kingston and St. Andrew, do not travel to Cassava Peace. Downtown Kingston between Mountain View Avenue and Agley Park Road. And south of Arthur Tree and Old Road. Downtown Kingston include Arnett Gardens, Cockburn Gardens, that are Cockburn Pen, Denham Town, Olympic Gardens, Seaview Gardens, Trenchtown, Tivoli Gardens, Buena Park, Jonestown, Standpipe, Swallowfield, Elliston Flats, Augustown. Manchester Parish, do not travel to Greenville, Grey Ground, Red Ground and Vineyard neighborhoods of Mandeville. St. Thomas, do not travel to Black Lane neighborhood in Seafort, Grandspen, not Grants, Grandspen, Church Corner neighborhood near Yallas, Town of Yallas, except when driving through Main Highway. Trelawney Parish, do not travel Clarkstown, so Trelawney much safer. Westmoreland Parish, do not travel to Russia Community in Savlamar, the southeastern quadrant of Savlamar, east of Darling Street and south of A2 Highway, Barracks Road, Morgan Bay, Kings Valley, Whitehall, Betheltown, Red Ground, neighborhood of Negril. If you travel to these places, do not travel areas listed above. Please visit the website. So yeah, look here. It's just like how we are telling this now. I will tell you over here, so we are getting a real mama papa truth, you know. So it's just like over here now in America. We are telling you now. Say time you come from if you take the plane and you come to Miami or Fort Lauderdale and that bad still, but in Miami, if you take the wrong exit and head west after I-95 after you left Miami Airport, you no problem. I just saw it go. Yeah, man, in America. So the same problem with, and look here, I used to west side the I-95 in Miami. That's a Dade County, you know. Trust me, you will just drive this and get gunshot because hey, the black people them just always kill them each other and them thing there. So I don't know why black people just hate each other, this self-hatred and guess what? Them not kill the Spanish and the white people, themselves them are killing her. Yeah man, all the time with AK and them for them favorite gun AK-47. So I just everywhere you go on them thing there. In America, I just see them so especially in the city. Anywhere now whether or not you want to believe it, anywhere black people live, I just say go, I just crime in America. I don't know because if you have a black person who tough on crime, you know, so them vote them out. Because black people inherently, I don't know how we reach upon it, inherently indisciplined. Them love. So that's why now, even all the police them, you know, I see them thinking, you know, what happening in America and I city them in America, you know. Black people them want to, the black people them get break from committing crime and all them thing there. You understand? If you have people with tough on crime, the black people them want to vote them on. So you have to be somebody, you understand what I'm saying? So that's why you have a guy with him you see like all the prosecutor and the district attorney are some people where normally when the black people them commit crime, them tell them say alright, no, behave yourself and release them. Like up in New York, you know, see it all the while. All the man got one man got a jail in New York all 5 times 3 days, 5 different crime and him come out and no bail. Him just come out, I just saw it go on them thing there because yeah. But when you do that, it's a disservice you have to the black community and them thing there. You understand? You know, because you just encourage people them to commit crime and destroy themselves. And if the me are tough, you know, say, cause everything people just want power. So that's why Rudy Giuliani, that's why them love although my corals, you know, Rudy Giuliani all corals, you know. That's why the people them love him because he make the people them in New York safe. And then they must say him racist. Yeah, I'm racist, but if you never do all of them things, him could not implement all these laws. So our people everywhere turn in our world, our people them, you know, so in time our people do not want to be discipline. Them want to do as them like, and I see a problem that we have. That's why we don't have a good government in Jamaica, because the government in Jamaica always have to follow people. Them will lead them, and what Jamaica need are leaders. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.